I'm Angie Varner, and here we are in holiday season and only a few weeks remain in 2018. During this season, we look back and recognize our many blessings. Here on the Crystal Coast, we had the wind knocked out of our sails when we were hit by Hurricane Florence. Currently, homes and businesses are slowly but surely being put back together. It is an awesome place to live, to work, and to visit. On behalf of my fellow agents here at the STAR team, I want to say thank you for giving us the opportunity to serve you, and we look forward to continuing to do so for many years to come. If you're interested in current market conditions or may need personal representation in purchasing or selling real estate here at the Crystal Coast, give me a call at 252-241-9210. And again, this is Angie Varner. Merry Christmas and happy 2019.